An engine, it's just like what's in your car. If the engine's not there, you're not rolling down the highway. So it's one of the core components of any key package that we build. And it doesn't matter if it's a gas compressor, if it's a pump jack, if it's a genset, a forklift. If you don't have that driver actually turning things over, you might as well just have an extra large paperweight.
Origin Engines is bringing to market a 100% new engine, 100% newly designed components. Some that we've designed ourselves and developed tooling for, others that we've partnered with manufacturers, with well-known manufacturers to develop the best quality parts for this type of application.
In our 30 years experience building engines, we've been able to look at why engines failed in the first place. So we've been able to take a look at engines from the inside out, identify inherent weak points with some of these engines, like the big block Chevrolet, find out where those weak points are, target in on that, and find out how can we improve that. We're not reinventing the wheel, but we're making it a little bit better.
From the ground up, Origin came in and said, you tell us what you want, we'll apply our high performance expertise to it, and our background with the manufacturer. We'll help you build this, just point us in the right direction. And Origin Engines stepped up the plate and said, we're going to do it.
We've designed our own piston oiling system. There's issues with the camshafts wearing out prematurely, and we've done a lot of development and testing. Right now we're looking at different shapes of the lobe that would allow the camshaft to wear longer. So we're trying to address the problems that have existed for a long time when we developed this to make it as bulletproof of an Origin engine as we can.
The biggest things that face these LSI engines, we're running on dry fuels. There's a lot of heat associated with it with the dry fuel, so a big concern was put into the cylinder heads of these engines, the valve seats, the valve train assembly, just making sure that these things run at 24 hours a day unattended.
These engines are coming straight from the factory with the hardened seats on the intake side and the exhaust side. Something that was never done before till the first valve change. Basically, these engines, you know, from whether it's the cam profile that's in them, whether it's the type of bearings, the aluminum bearings for a H2S type gas, from the ground up, we've designed these things to be industrial engines.
I think the Origin brand will appeal to the international market due to the fact that they have a unique product that some of the features have only been seen in the past on a diesel engine line. Piston oilers and some of these types of things that those markets have only seen on diesel engines are now available in a gaseous fueled engine.